Hello students, good morning. Today I will teach you mathematics of class 10th, chapter 3, linear equation in two variables. In previous lecture, you have to study about how many methods to solve a linear equation in two variables. That is, first graphical method, second substitution method, third elimination method, fourth cross multiplication method. This year we have not to study about cross multiplication method because due to coronavirus this topic is deducted. So today we will study about how do we solve a linear equation in two variables from graphical method. Means स्टूडेंट्स, इसके पहले हम ये पढ़ चुके हैं कि लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे, उसके कितने मेथड हैं। आपको बताया गया कि उसके 4 मेथड हैं। फर्स्ट ग्राफिकल मेथड, सेकंड सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड, थर्ड एलिमिनेशन मेथड एंड फोर्थ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड। तो आज हम ग्राफिकल मेथड से इक्वेशन को कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं उसको देखेंगे। तो सो फ्रेंड्स, एक्सरसाइज 3.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, आफ्ताब टेल्स हिज डॉटर 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Representing this situation algebraically and graphically. Then means आफ्ताब जो है अपनी पुत्री से कहता है कि मैं जो है मैं आपकी उम्र का 7 गुना था आज से 7 साल पहले। मीन्स फ्रॉम टूडेज 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you are. मीन्स आज से 7 साल पहले आपकी उम्र जितनी थी हमारी उम्र आपकी उम्र की 7 गुना थी, लेकिन आज से 3 साल बाद हमारी उम्र आपकी उम्र की 3 गुनी रह जाएगी। Then how to we find the present age of Aftab and his daughter? So first we let Aftab present age be x and his daughter present age be y. हम मान लेते हैं कि आफ्ताब की जो प्रेजेंट एज है वो x है और उसकी पुत्री की जो प्रेजेंट एज है वो y है। तो इन केस फर्स्ट आफ्ताब से 7 years ago 7 साल पहले जो आफ्ताब की उम्र है वो है x - 7 और 7 साल पहले जो उसकी पुत्री की एज है वो है y - 7। तो आफ्ताब कहता है कि फ्रॉम दैट टाइम मीन्स 7 years ago my age is 7 times as old as your age. मीन्स हमारी उम्र आपकी उम्र का 7 गुना है। मीन्स x - 7 equal to 7 times to y - 7, then x - 7 equal to 7y - 49, then x - 7y equal to -49 plus 7. Now we transfer 7y, then x equal to 7y - 42. This is equation first. In other way, in case second, Aftab tells his daughter that 3 years from now means अब से 3 साल बाद हमारी उम्र आपकी उम्र की 3 गुना रह जाएगी। मीन्स अब से 3 साल बाद द एज ऑफ आफ्ताब इज x plus 3 and the age of his daughter is y plus 3. Then आफ्ताब says that my age is 3 times as old as you. Means x plus 3 equal to 3 times 2y plus 3. Then x plus 3 equal to 3y plus 9. Then x equal to 3y plus 9 minus 3. Then x equal to 3y plus 6. This is equation Second, now we get both equations. This is algebraic representation. Now we represent it by graph. So for the graph, first we have to make tables from the equations. Table first, from equation 1, y and given x equal to 7y minus 42. So we put the value of y, we put the value of y 5, then we find the value of x minus 7, we put the value of y 6, then we find the value of x 0, we put the value of 7, then we find the value of x 7. Now from equation second we get table 2. First we put the value of 0, means in equation second x equal to 3y plus 6, then we put the value of y 0, then we get the value of x 6, and we put the value of y minus 1, then we get the value of x 3, we put the value of y minus 2, then we get the value of x 0. So now we represent it by graph. First we draw x-axis and y-axis. In class 9 we have studied in quadratic coordinate geometry that we have two axes, x-axis and y-axis. The center, the cut point is known as origin means स्रोत, means जहां से किसी चीज की शुरुआत हो. तो this is origin, this is beginning point. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6. So from table first we have the value of y 5 and the value of x minus 7. The value of y 5 and the value of x minus 7, this is that point, and the value of y 6 and the value of x 0, this is that point at the y axis, and value of y 7 and value of x 7, this is that point. So we meet these points, we get a line. Again we draw line by table 2. If y equal to 0 and x equal to 6, this is this point, y equal to 0 and x equal to 6, and y equal to -1, x equal to 3, y equal to -1 and x equal to 3, this is this point, and y equal to -2, x equal to 0, this is this point. Now we meet these points, we get a line. So this is graphical representation of both equations. Now question 2. So for this exercise you have to take a graph copy, pencil and scale. You draw your graph at graph copy. Question number 2. Question number 2. The coach of a cricket buys 3 bats and 6 balls for Rs 3,900 rupees. Later, she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind of for Rs 1,300 rupees. represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. मीन्स एक क्रिकेट टीम का कोच है जो जाता है, पहले 3 बैट्स और 6 बॉल लेता है और पेड करता है 3,900 रुपीज. आफ्टर दिस after some time he goes second time and he takes 1 bat and 3 balls. now means 1 बैट और 3 बॉल लेता है, तब वो सेम काइंड का, और तब वो जो है 1300 रुपये पेड करता है. तो इस चीज को हमको अलजबरा से रिप्रेजेंट करना है और ग्राफ से रिप्रेजेंट करना है. तो सो फ्रेंड्स सी लेट the cost of 1 byte be x. The cost of 1 byte be x and the cost of 1 ball be y. Case first. In case first the coach goes and takes 3 bats and 6 balls. पहले कोच जाता है, 3 बैट और 6 बॉल लेता है. मीन्स 3x plus 6y equal to 3,900. Equation first. Now case second. In case second, and the time he goes and take 1 bat and 3 balls. Means 1 bat and 3 more balls. Means x plus 3y equal to 1,300. Equation second. This is algebraic representation. Now we have to find the value of the table of these equations. We take equation first. From equation 1 we can write that 3x equal to 3,900 minus 6y, then x equal to 3,900 minus 6y upon 3. We can take common at 3, that 1,300 minus 2y upon 3. Then x equal to 1,300 minus 2y. This is equation third. From equation third we take a table. Table first. Table first. X and y equal to y and x equal to 1,300 minus 2y. Now we take the value of y and find the value of x. We take y equal to 400, then x equal to 500. We take y equal to 500, then x equal to 300. We take y equal to 600, then we find the value of x 100. Now From equation second, x plus 3y equal to 1300, then x equal to 1300 minus 3y. Now table second, y and x equal to 1300 minus 3y. We take the value of y as 300, then find the value of x 400, value of 400, then we find the value of x 100, we take the value of y as 500, then we get the value of x minus 200. Now we have to draw a graph. Means, how do we draw a graph? We have two tables, so we take x-axis and y-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Let one square is in your graph copy. You get the squares. So side of a square means this type of your graph copy. Then you take these things, that one square equal to 100 unit, means 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. Hundred, 200, 300, 400 and 500 and 600. Now minus 100, minus 200, minus 300, minus 400, minus 100, minus 200, minus 300, minus 400, minus 500. Now we take the points. First, from table first, 400, 500. The value of y is 400 and the value of x is 500. Means this is the point. This is the point. And value of y is 500 and the value of x is 300. Value of y is 500 and the value of x is 300. Means this is the point. The value of y is 600 and the value of x is 100. Means this is the point. We meet these points and we get a line. Now we take from table second, the value of y is 300 and the value of x is 400. Means this is the point, and the value of y 400 and the value of x is 100. Means this is the point. Next, the value of y is 500 and the value of x is minus 200. Means this is the point. Now we meet these points and we get a line. We see that both lines are parallel, so they never cut to each other. This is the graphical representation of the question number 2. Next question, question number 3. Question number 3. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes one day was found to be 160 rupees. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apple and 2 kg of grapes is as 300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. Means here MR says that the cost of 2 kg apples means 2 kg apples और 1 kg grapes का जो कास्ट है एक दिन का वो है 160 रुपीज. लेकिन 1 मंथ लेटर, एक महीने के बाद 4 किलो एप्पल और 2 kg ग्रेप्स का जो कास्ट है वो है 300 रुपीज. तो वी हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट दिस सिचुएशन algebraically and graphically. First, we take the cost of 1 kg apple bx and cost of 1 kg grapes, cost of 1 kg grapes by. So in case first, पहले क्या है, in first case cost of 2 kg apples and 1 kg grapes means apple 2 kg and grapes 1 kg means 2x plus y equal to 160. This is equation 1. And in case second, after 1 month he buys 4 kg apple, 4 kg apple and 2 kg grapes means 4x plus 2y. This comes and he gave 300 rupees. He gave 300 rupees. This is equation second. Now we have to see this algebraic situation in graphical representation. Means अब हमको इस अलजेब्रिक सिचुएशन को ग्राफिकल मेथड में दिखाना है. तो फर्स्ट वी टेक इक्वेशन 1. फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 2x plus y equal to 160. Now y equal to 160 minus 2x Now this is equation third. From equation third we take a table first. We take table first here. Table first. From table first, x and y equal to 160 minus 2x. Now we take the value of x 50, then we get the value of y 60. We take the value of x 60, then we get the value of y 40. We get the value of x 70, then we get the value of x y 20. Now we have to take equation second, means from equation 2. From equation 2, 4x plus 2y equal to 300. 4x plus 2y equal to 300. Then 2y equal to 300 minus 4x. Now y equal to, we take common at 2, then 150 minus 2x upon 2. Then y equal to 150 minus 2x. This is equation 4. Now we get the table second from equation 4. Table second. X and y equal to 150 minus 2x. First, we take the value of x. We take the value of x. $50. Then we get the value of y 50. We take the value of x 60. Then we take the value of y 30. We take the value of x 70. Then we take the value of y. We get the value of y 10. Now we have to draw the graph. अब हमको ग्राफ बनाना है. इक्वेशन फर्स्ट से टेबल फर्स्ट मिल गया, इक्वेशन सेकंड से टेबल सेकंड मिल गया. तो let us see the graph. This is x axis and this is y axis. Let 1 square equal to 10. 1 square equal to 10. Now 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Now from table first we have no minus value, so we cannot see the minus values of the axis. So the value of x equal to 50 and the value of y equal to 60. Value of x equal to 50 and value of y equal to 60. Then this is the point. And the value of x equal to 60 and the value of y equal to 40. The value of x equal to 60, the value of y equal to 40, means this is the point. The value of x equal to 70 and the value of y equal to 20, so this is the point. So we meet these points. This is the graph of first table. Now we take table second. The value of x equal to 50 and the value of y equal to 50. And the value of x equal to 60 and the value of y equal to 30. The value of x equal to 70 and the value of y equal to 10. Now we meet these points. Then we get second line. This is the graph of the third equation. So friends, the last question of for today is this. Next day we will study about exercise 3.2. Thank you.